let's make some fried peppers. I love this recipe and we make it a lot. And the point about these videos, as I've mentioned many times, is just to provide with extra food inspo, whether it's just something to inspire you to get in the kitchen, or maybe you're just like stuck on what to make. These might provide just a little bit of additional inspo. Fried peppers, I call them fried, but they're not really fried, they're sauteed. It's something that we make a lot. In Italy, we make them with little green peppers, and I'm lucky enough that I have a husband who apparently can grow anything, and he is able to grow those little green peppers in the summer. But in the winter and every other time, throughout the year where I don't have those green peppers, I make that same recipe using bell peppers, and it works really great. They are fantastic on their own with bread, a nice hunk of mozz. They're delicious. They're also great, on top of things, as a side dish, on a pizza, in a sandwich, you name it. And all you do is you saute some bell peppers in olive oil until they're about halfway cooked through, and some of them have caramelized. And then when they're at that point, which will take about 15 minutes over medium heat, you're going to add some garlic and a pinch of salt. And you're going to saute those while stirring here and there. And then you're going to add some diced tomatoes and some fresh basil. You're going to go ahead and give these a nice little stir occasionally, and you're going to cook these down until the peppers really cook down and become really nice and soft. You don't really want these to have any crunch to them. You want them to get really soft. And when that flavor mixes with the flavor of the tomatoes and the basil and the garlic, they just kind of all work together really well. And you cook them all together until they're like plump and soft and delicious, and that is it. You can serve them on their own or alongside things or as a topping on anything that your heart desires, and they are just perfect. Great for any time of the year, and I think that you will just love them. I hope you've enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next one.